Build your own smart device right from your desk. How do ATMs, washing machines, or car dashboards work? With a few lines of code and an Arduino, you can create a burglar alarm or home automation system. Hi, I'm Ashraf, an embedded systems engineer with experience in designing real-world applications using microcontrollers. I've worked on everything from industrial automation to IoT products and mentored thousands of students in mastering embedded programming. With certifications in C programming and embedded design, I'm here to make this complex field easy and fun for you. In my course, Arduino and C programming learned through projects, we start with the basics of C, move into Arduino programming, and then dive deep into real-world projects like a burglar alarm system. You'll explore hardware, software, and even register-level programming using the Atmega 328P chip. Plus, we'll use tools like Tinkercad for virtual prototyping. No hardware required. By the end, you'll confidently write efficient code design, your own embedded projects, and understand how devices interact with the physical world. Whether you're aiming for a career in IoT, robotics, or automation, or just love tinkering, this course will set you apart. One of my students built a smart irrigation system for his farm using skills from this course, and you can too. Ready to turn your ideas into working devices? Enroll now by clicking the link below. Let's build something amazing. Your journey into the world of embedded systems starts here.